Hey guys, today we're making some delicious stuffed zucchini. Super comforting, super easy. For the ingredients, we need 4 medium zucchinis, some queso fresco. You can also use feta or mozzarella, around a pound of tomatoes. I've got 8 Roma tomatoes here, a piece of onion, 3 garlic cloves, 3 bay leaves, and a bit of leftover bread. I'm using 3 slices. For the seasoning, we need salt, oregano, and cinnamon. Alright, let's get started. First, remove the tops and the bottoms of the zucchinis, then carefully score the center and scoop out the flesh to make room for the filling. They should look something like this. Hollowed out and ready to stuff. Now that they are prepped, we're gonna soften them a bit. Place them in the microwave for around 3 to 5 minutes while we move on to the sauce. Let's start with the zucchini flesh. Go ahead and transfer that into your blender. Next, we chop the tomatoes. Just remove the tops and toss them into the blender. Since my blender is on the smaller side, I'm blending in batches, but that's okay. Once it's partially blended, I pour a bit into the pot to make space for the rest. Now let's add the onion, then the bread. This will help thicken the sauce. Add the garlic cloves and then blend everything together until smooth. Transfer your sauce to a pot. And now we season with 1 teaspoon of salt. We can adjust this later. Two teaspoons of oregano. And about 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now toast the bay leaves and give it all a good mix. Time to stuff the zucchinis. Cut the cheese into medium-sized cubes, just big enough to fit snugly inside, like this. We want them tight so the cheese doesn't melt out while cooking. Now place all the stuffed zucchini into the sauce. Cover the pot and cook over medium-high heat for about 20 minutes. And that's it, our stuffed zucchinis are ready and they smell amazing. I'm serving them with a side of rice, but they are great on their own too. And as always, top it off with some extra cheese and they are ready to enjoy. This recipe is seriously so good. You've gotta try it, and if you do, let me know in the comments. See you next time, bye!